Ozone Park Auto on 84th Street between 108th Avenue and 106th Avenue, Ozone Park, New York 11417. We're lining up facing 108th Avenue corner. Okay, let me just get into the traffic. Let me just show you around. Again, make sure you put gear, signal, wheel, look mirror, look back, then you proceed. Again, you don't have much space, so make sure you do not cross the solid yellow line when you're pulling out. Just be careful. So you have an option, either you go straight or either you're gonna make a right or left turn. So you're probably gonna make option to make a left turn here, 109th Avenue. Again, this is a one-way, so you're probably gonna make a left turn. And when you go dead end, there is a stop sign, you're gonna make a right turn. Again, Charter Avenue is a two-way. Again, you have option to make a left turn from 84th Street, or either you stop here because of the red light, or either you have option to make a right or left on Fitkin Avenue, or either you have option to go front. Okay, so if you make a left turn on Fitkin Avenue after 2-3 block down, or making after 1 block down, you're gonna make a right on 86th Avenue. Or if you make a right turn on 84th Street on Fitkin Avenue, then you're gonna make a left turn on Charter Avenue in the cut. Okay, all right, so just for this example, we're just gonna go straight front, and then I'll show around by the Charter Avenue and Fitkin Avenue routes option that we have. All right, so let's go going straight. Make sure when you're going straight, make sure do not touch the solid. You drive along with the solid white line and the solid yellow line. Okay, so we're going straight. Again, speed limit is 25. Make sure do not exceed the speed limit. Okay, there's a bump coming up at 20 miles per hour. Make sure you cross the bump below 20. Okay, below 20. So again, just reduce the brake, do slow down a little bit. Here you go. Most of the people get very panic here when you make a left turn. Make sure the people who are coming from the front, they has to move right away. You do not have a stop sign, guys. Just to make sure you do not have a stop sign. So make sure you move up and stop if someone coming. If nobody is coming, then make a left turn. Again, you gotta be very quick to do so. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna make a left turn on this one. Again, this is gonna be the one way. We're gonna make a left turn on this. Okay, there's a car parked here. You're gonna put a signal to the left. We're on 85th Street, Ozone Park, New York. Okay, 85th Street. So you just go slowly, nice and easy. Okay, all right. And again, you're gonna make a right turn on 103rd Avenue. Again, this is a regular stop sign. You must stop twice. First time for pedestrian, second time is for traffic. If you stop, you clear, look right and left, nobody's here, you proceed. Okay, all right. And again, we're coming up with a always stop sign, which is 86th Street. So either you have coming option to come to the Fitkin Avenue, or either you come from Charter Avenue. Okay, so either if you have that option. All right, so here we're coming from 103rd Avenue. We're making a right turn on 86th Street, and then on a Dumont Avenue you're gonna make a right turn again. Of course, from Dumont Avenue either you can go right or left. Let's say you're gonna make a right on a Dumont Avenue. Stop. First time for pedestrian, second time for traffic. Look right and left, clear. Okay, so here you're probably gonna do some parking, or either you're probably gonna do a broken U-turn, K-turn, 3-point turns. Let's say we're going straight, and we're gonna make a right turn on 84th Street, guys. So again, just to be careful, there is a high speed traffic coming out from the North 20th Avenue. So make sure you stop twice, make sure you look twice. Again, be careful when you make a left turn. Guys, make sure you give them option to go. Do not, move up on you, move up slowly. Just be careful. Okay, just be careful. All right, again, we're back on 84th Street. Again, there's a bump at the same bump we just crossed. Again, you make sure when you cross the bump, it should be below 20. Okay. Okay. So again, there is a people stop, so you gotta cross it out. All right. So again, we are going on 84th Street. We're gonna make a left turn on Fitkin Avenue. Okay. Again, there is a light. make sure you want to make an L-shaped turn. Just to be careful. Okay. So guys, again, this speed limit is all the time is 25 here. Make sure do not exceed 25. So you want to drive about 20, 23, 24, but don't cross 25. Okay, so again, you're right away, they have to go first. You make a left turn here. Okay, so again, if you come this route, if you make a right turn to Pitkin Avenue from 84th Street, you're probably gonna make a left turn on Shutter Avenue. Okay, when you make a Shutter Avenue, be careful of oncoming traffic. Okay, so here we're just gonna make a quick turn on 80th Street. Okay, or either you have option to make a U-turn and then get back to Pitkin Avenue, then make a left on 84th Street. So again, this is all the way. Look right and left, no pedestrian, no car, or you van. Okay. We're gonna make a right turn here again. This is all the way a stop sign. We'll stop here again. Whoever comes first, they have to go. Make a right turn on here. Again, we're back to Pitkin Avenue, guys. Okay, a few minutes ago we just made a right turn on here on a Shutter Avenue, but now we're just gonna go back to the place and we're gonna make a left turn. Okay, make a left turn. Again, you want to drive close to the yellow line. Just be careful, people are merging in from the right side. Again, you're probably going to do the merging as well if you're there and did some practice and you come around. Okay, just be careful, oncoming traffic, there's nobody's coming. We're going to make a left turn, guys. Okay, so again, this is the Shutter Avenue and 84th Street. Okay, as I said, there's an option, they're probably going to take you to 109th Avenue as well. And if it's not, you're probably going to go straight. And again, you see the flag, either they're going to say pull over to the right here, or they're going to go a little bit further. They're going to in front of a garage, you're going to pull over to the. So again, pull over to the right, just to be careful, just move up, and they're going to say stop. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please put your feedback. Again, it will help other person. Thank you.